So we got a little project that we got going on. Andreas wants a spear system, or just a spear with a quick connect for skid steer. Because we got some square bales coming. So we got a couple spears here. We're gonna weld it on that 4x4 and just weld it on that plate, quick connect plate. And we're just gonna grind that plate real quick. That way we can weld on the 4x4. So the batteries were dead for the electrical with DeWalt. So grabbed a electrical cord one. Finished up with that. So the plan is we're gonna go 2-inch in on both sides and then go center. We're gonna torch a hole, stick it through, weld it on both sides. Maybe put a little support on one side and then weld it on. So I got it all marked out. I did find some safety glasses as a torch in. I'd rather be a little safe than sorry. I'll just get those torched out, mark the other side. Alright, so we got all the holes cut out. To show you how it's gonna be. We'll put it down. We'll have it kind of like that, far out. We'll weld both sides. Probably put a little plate on the bottom or something. And do that to all three. After I get that done, we'll weld it on that plate. Paint it a little bit and we'll be good. So I found this angle iron and put it down that way all of them kind of fit the same level once we have it on the steer. Once we have it on the skid steer. Yeah. Alright. Now all we gotta do is weld it up. It's all in place. They're all where we want it. It all looks pretty good. And the tip of the welder fell out. That'll do it. We got a new welding tip. Just put it in there, tighten it up. It's pretty hot, so. Tighten that up. Alright, we're ready to go. Finish this up. Gonna grind that off. Bubble gummed it a little bit just because that right there. So all we gotta do now is make a hole right in the center because we welded the spear on the back side, so we gotta make sure that that way it lines up all flush. So I'll just torch that out. First off, we'll hold the plate after and we'll weld it on. You should be able to pick it up from the bottom because it's no pressure on it. I'm picking up. Push it in a little bit. No.
It's not perfect, come on.
Oh, I'm messing with it. Tack this a little bit, tack the side, and then weld it. Pick this up.
Hey, I don't think that was tacked enough.
Thank you. You want to hold it up? Or?
Yeah, I can. I don't know. I'll just
or just tack weld it.
I'll hold the camera. You gotta go down a little to match the old tack.
No, because I'm pushing up on the.
All right. I was blind. I didn't. For having my eyes shut, it's something.
It's something.
Don't hate. It's holding better than yours. Professional welder right there.
Alrighty. Weld it up, call it good.
Might want to do the bottom so don't bow out on you.
That's what I did on the other side.
Alright.
I should almost.
Ah, who cares? Weld the cap.
Huh?
It's a bale spear.
Well, yeah, but. Sorry, I'm saying. I'm gonna grab some gloves.
Ooh. He needs. Hey, the gloves are right there.
Huh?
They're on the wall. So, he's gonna weld it right across.
So, laid that weld over the whole top. Weld the bottom a little bit. Put a couple 90 angles. We're gonna go from from here to here with a triangle, maybe in the top and bottom, both sides. Strengthen it up. There's gonna be a lot of torque on this just from the bale being all the way out here. That way it doesn't snap the weld.
He's welding the back side right now. He's like, I'm not gonna show you that side. So, I'm gonna show it for him. Oh yeah. Laying the beads.
So it's all finished. Got those brackets welded on, top and bottom. It's on the skid steer. What do you think?
It's freaking fancy. I say
Cool.
you put like 110%.
Put a little paint on it, call it good.
You gonna paint it?
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Till the next one.
Oh yeah, bud.